All right, you're welcome to this section of this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a KDP account. Now, I am using my phone for this. If you're using your laptop, you go to your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser as well in my phone. So I will type kdp.amazon.com. Please, I want to beg you, don't watch my video as though you are watching movie. Get a pen and a book. The first step was that I went to a browser. The second step, I typed kdp.amazon.com. This is how you can watch my video and follow it without asking unnecessary questions. I'm not joking right now, because if you don't follow this method, you end up asking unnecessary questions, and tomorrow when you don't get attended to, you will say you paid and you were not attended to. Meanwhile, you did not follow instruction. Please, I beg you, make the work easier for both of us so that you will not regret paying for my training. Okay, now the next thing you're going to click on, you can click on any of them: join KDP or sign. Anyone you click on, join KDP or sign in, you see will still come there. So let me click on join KDP. Now that I clicked on join KDP, you can see what is here. So I'm just going to put my first name here. Now please put this name according to how it is in your NIN. Forget the fact they are saying your first name and your last name. Put it according to how it is in your NIN. That's your national identity number. Your NIN card, sorry. So I'm going to type, this is how it is in my NIN. Sunday Amarachi Elizabeth. Now I'm going to put in my email. Emails buckle. Then I'm going to put 6-digit password. Then I'm going to re-enter the password. Now that I am done, I'm going to click on create your KDP account. I talk this email is already there. They said I indicated I'm a new customer, but I already have an email like this with them. Now, in case you have never created a KDP account and it showed something like this, please just go and create another email. So I'm going to use another email. Then I'll put in the password. Then I'll click on create your KDP account. Let's click on save. Now, it's not everybody Amazon will say solve a puzzle. Now, when I clicked on it, it was not done refreshing. I was only seeing this. So I just had to refresh, and then I was just a little bit patient and this showed up. So please, if you want to see the guide, just click on that middle part. So I'll just click on that center one. See how the puzzle is. That means I will start dragging from this car. This is my starting point where I can see the car. Do you get? I'm showing this this place. This car is where I'm going to start, and this is where I'm going to end. This the tip. So I will take it from there. I went further. Not even seeing my hand though. Then I'll click on confirm. Now it was successful. You see, we just played the puzzle. They said I should get the OTP from my email. Now this is Amazon email here. I'm just going to copy the OTP, and then I'll come here and paste it. Now, sorry, in a situation whereby you don't see the OTP in your inbox, you don't see it here, just come and click on this three icon. Just click on this three icon, that, and then go to spam. You can either check spam folder, check it under promotion or social, one of this, in case you don't see it in your inbox. Okay, so I'm just showing that in case you don't see it, you check there. Now I'm going to click on verify. Now I'm going to add in my phone number. I am a Nigerian, so I will change this country code. This is a US code. I will change it. Now if you are in South Africa, you choose South Africa. your own is +27. You are in Cameroon, you choose +237. South Ghana, you choose +233. Which other country again are we using here? um you are in Kenya is +254. So I'm in Nigeria, that's why I'm choosing my own country code +234. And now I'm going to put in my number. Which number have I not used on Amazon that I can receive OTP with? Okay. Please, the moment you put your number, then you click on add phone number or add mobile number. So I'm just going to do that off record. Now they sent an OTP to the number and I'm here to copy the OTP. Now I just pasted the OTP here. I'm going to click on create your Amazon account. Now you can see that the account have been created. I'm just going to simply click on agree. Look at it. I'm going to click on agree, zoom in, agree. Those things, now as Africans that we are, let's just put it like that. Now I'm going to come here and click on your account. Can you see it? It just brought me here, so I'll just click on your account. Now in a situation whereby your own does not bring you here, probably you mistakenly went out on network, just come and type kdp.amazon.com. if you type it, it will bring you back to that page. I'm not going to click on it because it has already opened the page for me. So it will bring you to this page. Just come here and click on your account. Can you see your account? Your account, click on it. Now they're asking me to put in it's not every case that Amazon will show you this. Amazon may not show you your own, but mine, they are showing me, so I will have to put in my phone number again. So Nigeria, and then I'll put in the phone number. Let them send OTP to the number. Now from what I can see here, they are telling me that you've requested too many OTP today, please try again later. Basically there was no OTP I requested aside from the first one. So this is an error from Amazon end. So let's see what we are going to do. Okay, see what's going to happen. I'm going to add up another number. Yes, I'm going to put in another number here. Let's see if it will work. Yes, I know I clicked on first number. I'm going to put in another number and see if this is gonna work. Which other number do I have to risk now? Okay, now they are still showing me this. So what we are going to do is we are going to download the Amazon shopping app now. Now this is my Play Store. I'm going to come here and type Amazon shopping app. I actually showed you how to download this app in video 2. Now this is the app. Please don't tell me another app is this one. If it's not compatible in your device, please look for another phone and download the Amazon shopping app and continue with your registration. So I'm going to install the app. Now please, this difficulty is you only come to this Amazon shopping app if you try to log in. That is when they took me to the next page. That's the kdp.amazon.com, and they're asking for another number. I should put in my phone number and it did not work. That's the only time you come here. If it worked, just hold on and watch video 4. That's the next thing. The next movement is move to video 4. I'm only saying this now because so that you don't stay here. If your own did not show it, because it varies, it may not show, and some people they will need to use another different browser. So I also want you to download this browser, Yandex browser. Where is it? Look at it here. I want you to download this browser, Yandex browser, any of them. I want you to download DuckDuckGo. I hope I spelled this browser well. I doubt. See it here. Download them. These are other browsers you can download. Just have them in your phone. If they are not compatible, please, it's not compulsory. Brave, just download these browsers, just have them. Most times you may need to use another, your Chrome browser may not be working, Kiwi browser, you may just need these browsers. Okay, so the Amazon shopping app, I'm going to click on open. Now don't forget that we are not creating we are not creating new account. We already have an account, just that it is not letting us to log in. Okay, please take note of that. Now don't do anything, just click on done. Amazon does not allow screen recording at this point, so when you click on already a customer, then click on sign in. To sign in with your email, so I'm going to put in the email I signed in with, and then I'm going to click on continue. I'm asked to put in the password, so I'm just going to put in the password. I'm going to click on sign in. Now click on continue with password, and you're going to click on that three horizontal line. If you click on it, you can see where I put my cursor. Just hold on. Good. Now you're going to see customer service. You see other options, but you see customer service. Click on customer service. Now you can see that the screen is blank because Amazon does not allow screen recording, so that is why it is blank. Now I've clicked on customer service, and it's going to take me to the next page. Now it's still loading. Please, I want to beg you, do not watch this video as a movie. Get a book and a pen, write down the step. If you can just follow it, that is all. Now I'm going to scroll down. You can see where you can see login, address, security, and privacy. I'm going to click on login and security. Can you see that? So when I click on login and security, it's going to bring me up to this page. I'm going to click on password, email, or login. That's the first option. I will just cycle it. Can you see that? Now it's going to bring me here. I'm going to click on your account setting. That's what I'm going to click on, your account setting, and it will take me to the next page. Now can you see account setting, login, and security? I actually was scrolling up, but let me scroll back. Now see it. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to login and security. Can you see that? So please click on it. Now it's going to take you to the next page. At this point, I want to beg you, get the OTP from your email address. So let's go back to my email, and this is it here. So I'm just going to copy this OTP. I will come back here and paste it, and then I'm going to click on submit OTP. I'll paste that and click on submit OTP. Now it's going to bring me up to this page. Can you see that two-step verification turn on? Can you see it? Click on it. So let me see if I can highlight it for you. Let me circle it. Good. Click on it. Sorry, the network is quite. So I'll click on it, and it will bring me up to this page. Please, I want to beg you, it is authenticator app you're going to choose. Don't forget that we tried the phone method, the phone number method, and it did not work. If it worked for you, fine, but for we that it did not work for, we are choosing the authenticator app method. choose the authenticator app method. Don't tell me your own did not show authenticator app. Uninstall the app and start again. It must show you this authenticator app. That is the one you click on. Do you understand? This is the one you click on because we want to use authenticator app method to create this account. Please do not forget. So click on it. You see, I had to cancel this phone method so that you don't go and click on it. The phone already failed. Now this is where I will have to switch my camera, because at this point Google Authenticator app does not allow screen recording. So just go to your Play Store and we are going to type authenticator. You can type authenticator or Google Authenticator, anyone. So I'm going to type authenticator. Can see what I just typed. I showed this in video one in the Enders channel, but not a problem. Now this is the one I use, Google Authenticator. Please, the Authenticator app is free of charge. I am saying it again, the Authenticator app is free of charge. If you download any Authenticator app and it's asking you to sign in with money to set up, it is not, you got the wrong one. Please, it's Google Authenticator app. You can see that I'm showing it on the screen now. So this is the app we are going to be using. So let me quickly switch to my next device, because that's actually what we are going to be working with right now. How the Authenticator app is looking. The next thing I want you to click on is Get Started. Now you can see I want to sign in with this my email. If you have other email address, fine, but I'm using this one. So continue as Ama KDP. That's basically what I signed in for this particular authenticator. Now this one that you are seeing, add a code, ignore. It is not for you. Just come to this place, this plus icon. Can you see it here? Look at it. I'm zooming in so that you can see it. That plus icon. So I'm going to click on it, and when I clicked on that plus icon, you can see, sorry, that's a mistake. I was just trying to, when I click on this plus icon, you can see enter a setup key. I don't know if you can see it good. I'm going to click on it. As I said, don't watch this video as though you are watching a movie. Write down the steps. Now this enter code code name, I'm just going to put Amazon. Why am I putting Amazon? I want to remember anytime I log in, I come to this authenticator, that this is actually where I'm going to be getting my Amazon OTP from. Now your key, come to this place, look closely. Can you see? This is what I want to copy. Look at where my finger is. That capital letter, the beginning of that capital letter, from that's from method 3. To add an account manually, type the text code below into the app. So I'm going to highlight it from that to this last one. Can you see? And then I'm going to copy. Can you see what I just did? Now I'm going to take this to my authenticator app. This place you can see your key, paste it there, and then I'm going to click on add. Now I have added it. This is the OTP available. I'm going to long press on it. Once I long press on it, I have copied it to show you. Look at it here. It has been copied because this code just changed. Now I'm coming to come and paste it here. This place is where I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to click on verify OTP and continue. Now you can see what it is showing me here. Can you see? I want you to look at this. I want you to pay attention. This is where I want you to pay attention. Can you see? You may suppress future OTP challenges by selecting don't require an OTP. Sorry, I'm having ache. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tick this. Why am I ticking this? I'm telling them that they should not require OTP on this browser, and then I'm going to click on got it, turn on two-step verification. Can you see? Now this is on. Can you see? This is on right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to go back to my browser, and I'm going to type kdp.amazon.com. kdp.amazon.com. Look at it. kdp.amazon.com, and I'm going to search. How the account is looking. So I'm just going to switch back to my browser. Welcome back. So I'm going to click on your account as usual. I'm going to click on your account, and at this point you're seeing that if you are new to KDP, you can use Amazon login to register. just sign in with your existing Amazon login or create a password. So I'm just going to put in my password here. So I've pasted my password. I'm going to click on sign in. And I want you to pay attention. Now they said I should get my one-time password generated by Google Authenticator app. Now I cannot get that from Google Authenticator app, so I'm going to switch to my phone again to show you, because Google Authenticator app does not allow recording. So let me switch back to my camera. This is my Google Authenticator app, and I want to copy this OTP. Just long press on it. Once you long press, you're going to see copied clipboard, because this thing will change. The moment it change, just know that it has been copied. Then you come and paste it here, and then you click on sign in. Please, I want to make it clear that is one phone I'm using for this account creation. I'm just simply taking my second phone to record the screen so that you can see it. If I don't do that, you may not be able to see it, because Google Authenticator app is going to make that place blank. That is why I picked up my phone to record, so that someone will not think I'm using two phones to create one KDP account. No, I'm just using my same phone. Now you see that it have signed in. You can see. So well, let us continue. That it brought me to this page, and the first thing I'm going to do is to put my legal name, my full name. Now I want to tell you that it is an error if you don't. Sorry, hold on. So what I'm having here with me is my NIN plastic card. I have my NIN plastic card here, and please, I am making this video as a very important video. If you do not have NIN plastic card, you can do two things. Number one, come to YouTube and type how to get NIN plastic card. Do you understand? There are videos here you can watch to get your NIN plastic card. Okay. Now, in case you cannot get it from YouTube, you feel that the YouTube video or the NIN site is having issue, just go to cafe and get your NIN. But if you watch a YouTube video, any video here will guide you on how to create NIN plastic card. So let's continue. Now, why am I using NIN plastic card? If you have NIN slip, it may not work. I don't know whether voters card will work. I don't know. I don't know whether your driver's license will work. I don't know. But basically, NIN plastic card, I'm sure of. Now, I'm going to put in my full name. That is my full name based on what is in my NIN plastic card now is Sunday Amarachi Elizabeth. Can you see? That is what is in my NIN right now, because I'm following it. Now, the country I am is Nigeria. My country is Nigeria. Please, my country is Nigeria, and then the postal code, I've shown you how to get postal code, but let me show it again. Now, postal code, I am in the location called Plateau State, so that is the state I am. So I'm going to type postal code or postcode in Plateau State. Now I'm in Jos North, so I will just focus and get anyone relating, or any postal code you put, it doesn't matter. As long as you have put a postal code, you are done. Okay, so I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to put my postcode. Now the state I am, Plateau State. The city, Jos. I'm just putting any address. I will correct that later. Now, please, put the address that you know you put in your NIN. When you went to go and register your NIN, they will ask you for your address. Put that address. Whether you have packed out of that place, you are no longer there. That is what you register with your ID. Put it there, please. So if I'm done, I will change that. Now, your date of birth, it should tally with what is in your ID. Your date of birth should tally with what is in your ID. Okay, so you put in your date of birth, then you put in your phone number, and you click on save and continue. So let me do that. Now I am done. I'm going to click on save and continue. right, you can see that I am done. My identity have been edited, everything is perfect, right? Now the next thing is getting paid, and please, I want you to watch the video in the Earning Dollars channel, video 4. That is the video for this.